Now let's create a filter also so the users can search based on name and based on email. So let's go to our project inside our student index, and after the header in here let's create a form. Then inside this form let's create a input with the type of text and placeholder. Let's give them a placeholder as well. So we will say search students, and also let's create a button as well to submit the form. So let's create a button, set the type to submit, and let's give them a text as well. So T, then search. Okay, let's save everything. Let's go back. Now we have our input and our button also. Now let's give him a default value for our input. So let's type here value, and let's give him a default value. So let's create a variable. So let's type here, let's call it search, and by default let's give him an initial search. So this will come from the browse from the back end. Now let's create our own variable. So let's create here const, then search, and set search. Then set it to use state, and by default it should be initial search, or if it's not available, empty string. Now let's save this. Let's add it to our input. Now let's set the on change of this to e and set our set search. So set search should is equal to e dot target dot value. Now let's create on submit of our form. So in here we will type on submit handle search. Now let's create this method. So let's create this function. Let's type const handles and do const handle search and set it to arrow function with the e as a parameter. Then in here we will define our logic, which is first we have to prevent the default behavior of our form. So prevent default. Then after that we have to submit our data. So for that we will use the router dot get and our URL. Then we will pass our data. So let's pass the search, and for the options we will set the preserve state to true and also replace to true. So our front end is ready. Now let's go to our controller and create our backend. So for that, in my index method, first thing that I need to add here is that I need to accept a request. So for that I will type request $ request. Then after that let's create a variable with the name of search and set it to request input search. Then after that, before the pagination in here we will type when $search. If search is available, then we will create a callback function, and in the callback function we will pass query and our search as a parameter. Then inside this callback function we will say query where name like and our percentage sign. So let's add our percentage sign, then call our search and again percentage sign. Again we have to do exactly the same thing for our email. So for that we will type or where email like percentage sign, dollar sign search, and again percentage sign. That's it. Let's save everything. Now our controller is also ready. If I go to my browser in here, if I type search based on name, so let's copy this and paste it here. Click search. I got my record. And also if I search based on email, so let's search this, paste it, click search. We got our record in here as well. But there is a small problem. For example, if I search anything, let's say I search based on B, click search. Right now I have 3 pages. If I go to page 2, I get my record and also I get all the pages again. So if I search, let's say this time C, now I have 5 pages of a result. If I click the page 4, now all the pages are coming back. To prevent this in our controller, after the pagination, in here we will type with query string. That's it. Now let's save everything. Let's go back, refresh. Now let's search B, click search. Now I have 3 pages. Click page number 2, page number 3. Now I don't see all the page numbers. Oh, if I search based on A again, okay, we have 6 pages. C. Now I have 5. Click 4 page, nothing here. Now our page numbers are also fixed. Now, one last thing, that whenever I search anything, let's click search and I go to another page, my search input is getting deleted. So I want to display that also. So for example, let's see this time with B. I have B, but if I go to second page, it's gone. Now to fix this, just in the return, we will pause the search. So we will type search and we will set it to search. That's it. Now let's go back and in here, let's type this time B, click search. We got our result, click second page. It's still here. Now click the still here.